When I first came to Dr. Nazarian, I had a lot of gum recession that I was actually not aware of.
She was wearing her teeth down. She was a heavy grinder and bruxer. And because of it, these teeth were cracking and starting to get very, very sensitive. In fact, they started to get painful. And once she saw that we enhanced her husband's smile, she said, I want to get that Hollywood smile. So in her case, we went ahead and did cosmetic reconstruction utilizing zirconia restorations. Zirconia restorations are not only aesthetic, but they're very strong. They're a very strong material. And so we were able to enhance her smile, open her vertical dimension because she had worn it down, so her bite had collapsed.
When I saw my brand new smile, it was almost like a restoration of what my teeth once upon a time looked like, with the different sizes and shapes, and just the overall aesthetic of it was just, very appealing, very awesome. I would say Dr. Nazarian's at the top of his game as far as knowledge and professionalism, and they're very welcoming. I've experienced nothing but the best of care with everything, even with the dental hygienist, because I've also had the dental hygienist clean my teeth and such. But I mean, across the board, anyone that I've come in contact with has been absolutely stellar at their job.